Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Please follow me on the socials. Today I'm looking at the Penoval A4 Pro. This is a magnetic, non-wireless charging stylus for your iPad Pro, 12.9 inch and 11 inch. This will work with iPad Air as well, 3rd generation or later, iPad Mini, 5th generation or later, an iPad 6th generation or later as well. So there's quite a few that it will fit. You can quickly scan these details right here. Pause at any time to take a look. Details will be in the description of the video. It has a touch key at the very top. So you double tap to turn it on. There's the blue light. That's also a battery indicator. This charges via USB-C. That's why they give you a USB-C to USB-A cable. And the tip right here is removable. They also give you 2 extra tips for a total of 3 tips. So it just easily screws right off like that. It has multiple functions for use on or with the iPads. This is double tap to turn it on, double tap to turn it off. It's about 30 minutes for a full charge on this pencil. It has capability of shading when you use it on the side. You can pause this, and we'll also have these details in the description. It has palm rejection, it has pixel precision, so you can get just the right drawing of what you need and what you want. It's magnetic, so it will connect to the 11 and 12.9 inch iPad Pros on top. It doesn't charge that way, but it'll attach to it. Like I said, fast charging in 30 minutes, and it has tilt for shadowing. So if you're drawing like this, you'll get shadowing, and if you draw like this, you'll get the pixel precision. It has a battery indicator, like I showed you when it's on. So that means it's almost totally full. Has different colors for battery level, so it's easy to turn on and off. This is brand new from Penoval. It's the A4 Pro, and if you currently have an Apple Pencil paired to your device, you'll need to unpair that, and then you can pair this via Bluetooth to your iPad Pro and iPad Mini.